A stunning $430 million gamble on the future of healthcare education just reached a pivotal moment. But will this massive investment actually solve Kentucky's healthcare challenges? On Thursday, the University of Kentucky marked a major construction milestone with a ceremonial topping out event for the impressive Michael D. Rankin, MD, Health Education Building. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just another university building project. For those unfamiliar with construction terminology, a topping out ceremony represents the moment when workers install the final steel beam on a building's framework. Think of it as the skeleton being complete. It's a time-honored tradition in construction where teams celebrate this significant achievement before moving on to the interior work. The massive 509,000 square foot structure, strategically positioned where University and Huglet Drives intersect, broke ground in October 2023. This isn't your typical academic building. It's designed to revolutionize how future healthcare professionals learn by bringing together students from medicine, public health, health sciences, and nursing programs, plus the Center for Interprofessional and Community Health Education under one enormous roof. And this is the part most people miss. The building's design philosophy challenges traditional healthcare education. Instead of keeping medical disciplines separated in their own silos, UK is betting big on collaborative learning. A whopping 77% before the ceremonial beam installation, UK students, faculty, staff, and alumni had the special opportunity to add their signatures to the steel, creating a personal connection between the building's foundation and the people who will use it for decades to come. UK President Eli Capilouto emphasized the building's deeper significance during the celebration. Today's milestone transcends mere steel and concrete. It embodies our steadfast dedication to Kentucky's health and well-being. This rising structure symbolizes collaborative innovation and represents the transformation of healthcare delivery across our state. Within these walls, students from diverse medical disciplines will unite to learn, tackle complex challenges, and develop groundbreaking solutions that will strengthen healthcare delivery in every corner of our Commonwealth. But here's where it gets controversial. Is spending nearly $500 million on a single building the best way to address Kentucky's healthcare needs? The Kentucky General Assembly approved this ambitious undertaking in 2022, committing $430 million for construction, while providing an additional $250 million through state bonds. The UK Board of Trustees gave their final construction approval in June 2023. David Opalka from Turner Construction Co., the company overseeing this monumental project, highlighted the intentional design approach. The topping out of the Michael D. Rankin Health Education Building represents far more than reaching a construction checkpoint. It's a tribute to teamwork, vision, and craftsmanship. Every structural element was positioned with deliberate purpose, establishing environments engineered not merely for aesthetic appeal, but for optimal functionality, adaptability, and advancing Kentucky's healthcare education landscape. What do you think? Will this massive investment in collaborative healthcare education actually translate to better patient outcomes and more healthcare professionals staying in Kentucky? Or could these hundreds of millions have been better spent on direct healthcare services and existing facility improvements? Share your thoughts on whether this bold educational experiment is worth the enormous price tag.